Did you know a tiny $20 sensor can save you from a deadly skid? If your ABS light is on, you need to watch this, because what you don't know could wreck your car or worse. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're diving into a crucial but often overlooked component of your car, the ABS wheel speed sensor. In this video, we'll explain what it does, how it works, and the symptoms of a bad sensor. Let's get started. First, what exactly is an ABS wheel speed sensor? Each wheel usually has its own sensor, and its job is to monitor how fast each wheel is spinning. This data gets sent to the car's computer ECU, which uses it to prevent wheel lockup during braking or to adjust traction control when you're driving on slippery surfaces. Let's talk about how does it works. Most modern cars use a magnetic or Hall effect sensor that reads a tone ring or reluctor ring attached to the wheel hub, CV axle, or brake rotor. As the wheel spins, the sensor detects these magnetic pulses and sends speed data to the ABS module. Now, how do you know if your wheel speed sensor is failing? Here are the most common symptoms: ABS or traction control warning light. The most obvious sign your dashboard lights up with an ABS, traction control, or even stability control warning. Unresponsive ABS during braking. If your brakes lock up easily on slippery roads, your ABS might not be working due to a faulty sensor. Speedometer issues. Some cars use wheel speed data for the speedometer. If it acts erratic or stops working, the sensor could be to blame: loss of traction or stability control. You might notice your car struggles to maintain grip, especially in wet conditions, strange brake behavior. In some cases, the ECU may apply brakes unexpectedly if it gets incorrect speed readings. So why do these sensors fail? A few reasons: dirt and debris. Metal shavings or grime can interfere with the sensor. Damaged wiring. Exposed or corroded wires can disrupt the signal. Faulty tone ring. If the reluctor ring is cracked or missing teeth, the sensor won't read correctly. General wear and tear. Over time, sensors just wear out. If you suspect a bad wheel speed sensor, here's what to do. Scan for codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for ABS-related trouble codes like C0035, C0040, etc. Inspect the sensor and wiring. Look for visible damage or corrosion. Clean or replace. Sometimes cleaning helps, but often replacement is needed. Replacing a wheel speed sensor is usually straightforward, but if you're not comfortable doing it, a mechanic can handle it quickly. And that's the lowdown on ABS wheel speed sensors. If your ABS light is on, don't ignore it. This small part plays a big role in your safety. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.